Hello, let's talk about creating tabs in Canvas. In one of my classes, I have this tab structure on one of the pages so that I can store more information without it taking up so much space, and it's just a little more interesting for students to click through. So let's talk about how we do that. We're going to use some HTML, which I will provide in the either comment or in the description. And this is what it is here, so I'm just going to copy it really quickly so that I have that when I go to use it. And when I click back to my course, I'm going to go ahead and add another tab structure between the lesson design and structure of learning materials. So I'm going to edit that. And I find the easiest way to do this is to just hit a bunch of returns. This is going to create some coding that's easy to locate. When I come in the bottom right-hand corner, I'm going to click this little rich text editor switch. And now you'll see that these red highlighted or orangey highlighted areas, that's where all those spaces are. So I can go ahead and even leave that in there and clean up the spaces later, and then go ahead and paste in the materials that I just showed you from before. Make this a little bit bigger so we can see it. The way the HTML works is that you're going to see two places that you need to adjust in order to make these tabs work correctly. And the first one is going to be right here under this fragment 1, 2, 3. So these are the titles of your 3 tabs. And then you're also under fragment 1, 2, and 3, going to once again put the topic there. So topic 1, 2, 3, and then the info for the topic there. And so let's say that I'm going to have 3 colors. So red, and then yellow and blue are my 3 colors that I'm using, I want to store information about. So I'd also make my topics here, red and yellow and blue. Okay. And then what we'll do is the information for the topic. So here I would put something like, so this is my color red, and then my information for the topic 2 is color yellow. And then my information for topic 3 is going to be color blue. All right, so that's what I've put here. It's just kind of placeholder text. And I want to do switch back to my rich text editor. And it's going to look a little funny here, but that's okay. That is expected. And what you're going to want to do is go ahead and save that. So if I save it, then you're going to see my 3 tabs, my red, and then there's the title and then the content, my yellow tab, the title and the content, then my blue tab, the title and the content. So in this case, the tab name as well as the title is the same for mine, but you could of course make that very different. And if we want to clean that up a little bit, actually working in HTML might be a little bit easier. I'm going to click back to switch to that, and I'm just going to get rid of these lines that were those spaces that I put in on the top and the bottom, and that ensures that I didn't mess up anything. And again, you'll see that it's going to look a little differently here versus what you see in the HTML and also what you're seeing when you actually display it. One thing to note is you can edit the text directly in here. So if you want to edit what your tabs are saying, go ahead and just change that text right there. And then you're going to come down here and click save, and then you'll have your 3 tabs. So I will link that HTML down into either the description or a comment, and I hope that you have fun using tabs. Thank you. For more tutorials, check out our YouTube channel, Faculty Development Center, CSUF. For upcoming workshops, check out our website at fdc.fullerton.edu.